When you open Excel sheet in your computer, you will see these options. Start from top, you will see Quick Access Toolbar, then Title Bar, Minimize and Maximize Size of Excel sheet, then Close button. From left hand side, you will see File tab and the name box. You will see box in the Excel sheet. These boxes are known as cell. When we select any cell in the Excel sheet, that cell is known as active cell. From 1 to 13, horizontal cells are known as rows. From A to G, vertical cells are known as columns. You can see Sheet 1 tab known as Worksheet tab. After that, Views and Zoom slider option is available. Scroll bars are available in the right side and the bottom of the sheet. You can see white box with down arrow. This box is known as formula bar. At last, ribbon is the area where all the Excel options are available.